He's got a vocabulary of about 30 words.
Really? Probably can't get him to say anything though, right?
Not on command, no.
Yeah.
Usually as people walk away and he wants your attention to come back, he'll start talking.
Really?
You were turned away, he wanted your attention. He really wanted your attention. He's a ham. Picking peanuts out of his bill.
So is he a disco dancer?
Oh, he's more of a Stevie Wonder kind of dancer.
Oh yeah.
He kind of does this whole... Do an imitation of his eagle. He did it for the train. Crew. Crew. I did that trick already. Good boy. Good boy.